Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. In this video, I'll be using some printable magnetic sheets. These are sheets designed to be used with inkjet printers. These magnetic printable sheets allow users to print vibrant images, text, or graphics directly onto their surface. You can create any design you like and cut it easily with scissors or craft cutters. And now let's head over to Design Space. To create my designs, I use the Canva app. To create my design, I was inspired on something that is very useful to me, which is a calendar. I uploaded pictures for each month. I resized each sheet to a 3x4 size and then added an offset of 0.25 to each one. Once I applied the offset, I changed it to white. Then I highlighted the offset with the image and flattened it. I repeated the same steps with each sheet. Once you're done, select Make. In order to print these, I'll need 3 sheets. Before sending to print, I'm going to rearrange these so they cut perfectly. I want to make sure they're not overlapping. I'll make sure with all 3 sheets. Depending on the size of each image, you can rotate as well or move over. It's better to go the extra mile and always check how much space is in between each image so you don't run into any bad surprises when your machine's cutting. Once you're done, select Continue. Select Send to Printer. Select Next. Once you're here, select the printer you would like your images to print on. I'll be turning my bleed off. I'll select System Dialog and then Print. Depending on the printer you have, you'll get a box behind Design Space. So let's select that. Here you want to select Media and Quality. For quality, select Best. And now we can print. Here, select Done. Before continuing, I want to mention that TeckWrap does recommend it is best to laminate the sheets after printing to protect your design from smudging, moisture, and wear, reinforcing durability. This is an A4 8.5 by 11 inches sheets. This pack contains 10 pieces. This is white matte. So let's go print our images. All printed, now let's put it on a mat so we can cut our images. Personally, I love this matte look. The colors look so vivid. When cutting this, make sure to place it the correct way. Place the little arrow on the top corner of your mat and then press down to make sure it stays on there. And we're ready to cut. To set base material, I'll go over to Browse All Materials, and on the search bar, I'll type in magnet. I'll select Printable Magnetic Sheet as my option. Select Done, and now I'll be selecting More Pressure. And now we're ready to go cut our project. Once it's done, before removing, make sure it cut through. It's done cutting. Now let's remove it from our mat. Keep in mind that every machine and blade is different, so you might have to do some test cuts first. And this cut out beautifully. Now remember, we had 3 sheets. Therefore, off of camera, I will be printing the rest. You can remove these by lifting off of your mat, or you can turn your mat around and just remove this way. These are ideal for fridge magnets, classroom materials, photo displays, marketing tools, and creative crafts. And here you have it. This is how this project turned out. It turned out beautiful. I really enjoyed doing this project. So, if you watched to the end and you liked the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.